can't have you videotaping our building. You can't record our building. I don't know if you're filming me now or what.
Okay, can you stop?
I am filming, but why are you sticking your hand in my lens?
No. Yeah, these bottles made it to town.
Right on,
Good
man.
to see you guys.
Appreciate you.
Welcome to Tucson, Arizona. This is episode 3 of our big road trip across the country. And today I'm going to be checking out downtown Tucson, taking some photos, taking some video, and seeing what kind of interesting stuff we can see around here. So stay tuned.
Hey, man, out there, Watchmen.
What's up?
What's happening? Welcome to Tucson. Ready to go check it out?
Yeah, let's see.
Let's take a walk. Sure.
Oh yeah, nice, bro. Oh, thank you.
No, thank you. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Hi. Can I help you guys?
How's it going?
Hi. How can I help you?
Oh, I don't need any help, but thank you. I appreciate you.
Oh, okay. What are you guys taking pictures for? In
Just
video?
taking pictures and video.
Oh,
Enjoying
okay,
the
great.
day.
Okay, I thought you were part of our team or something like that. I just wanted to make sure.
If I was, maybe I can't tell you.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. Well, welcome.
Sure, thank
Take
you.
as many pictures as you want.
Enjoy your day.
Thank
You
you.
too.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Thanks.
Hey, did you get it?
No, I don't think so.
Window, that was great.
What
Now
you
I
do?
gotta remember which camera has zoom and which
Hey
one
guys, I can't have you videotaping our building.
doesn't. I'm sorry?
You can't record our building.
I can't record your
You
building.
can't. Yeah, you can't record this. Unfortunately,
Why is
you can't. You can't because our insurance company won't let it. I mean, I have to have a release from it.
I can't hear you.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's like our insurance company is.
Okay.
You know, I don't know if you're filming right now.
Yeah, what is that all about? We're trying to have a conversation, man.
But I don't know what I don't know if you're filming me now or what.
Okay, can you stop?
I am filming, but why are you sticking your hand in my lens?
Because I don't want to.
Do you want to have a nice conversation, or do you
I
want me
do.
to throw back the energy that you're giving me?
No, I would love to have
All
a
right,
great
so
conversation,
relax.
but I would not like to be filmed.
Okay.
So would you be okay turning your camera off?
Well, so you want me to leave the sidewalk and...
No. What I don't. My staff called me from the back.
Okay.
And they said that someone was
That
filming
looks
our
really
video.
silly that you're doing that.
I know, but it's like
I
I don't want to be on a camera
Well, then why'd you come out here?
because I need you not to film our doorway. Unless
That makes no sense.
it makes no sense.
Makes no sense.
It makes perfect sense.
Yeah. If you're gonna stand there, we'll get some pictures of it.
Can I ask what you're taking pictures for?
Not the way you're coming out like that.
What do you mean? I'm not.
I was
coming out
cordial
of
with
anywhere.
your other employee because she was being nice about it, but I don't know. You're sticking your
can
hand
I-
in my cameras. You're being weird. You're telling me I can't take pictures of your building.
I want to
because of your
understand. I want to understand why you're taking pictures of our building.
Because I feel like it. That's the only explanation I can offer you.
Okay. Well, I'm going to make a request that you not do it.
Okay, duly noted. Have a good day. Oh, weirdo.
Wow.
And she said, no, that's great, no problem. Just wanted to ask. Take all the pictures you want. She went back inside. She goes inside, calls whoever that was that just came out, I assume her boss. And you saw how that went. So, Tale of Two Cities.
Oh, they shut all the lights out in there.
Did they really?
Yep. By the way, I switched lenses, so you guys can let me know what you think in the comments. I actually swapped the lens from my still camera and my video camera, and I think it works out better that way, but you guys can let me know what you think. Do the pictures look better? Does the video look better?
What's going on?
Taking some video.
No, you just want one.
Exactly.
I don't know, man. You guys are going to just take off. You really got to get it while you can. Appreciate it, man.
It's a cool building.
Yeah, it is. What?
No.
Just took some pictures, man. What are you up to? It's a good pose. What's up?
So what's up with the cameras?
Just taking pictures.
Oh, thank you.
Is that a problem?
No, just making sure.
So did you make sure? We good?
Yeah.
Well. Why does everybody always go to that? I don't know what that is. Everybody always goes right to the negative. What if I was about to film a child pose? What? I don't know. Don't think negative. Smile, keep smiling, keep laughing. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
What's up, man?
What's up, brother?
I watch your stuff all the time.
There you go. Right on.
The Watchmen and Amagansett Press.
Amagansett Press. You got it, man.
Dude,
Did
you
better
guys
than
are
most.
here. I never thought I'd see you.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you.
Jeez.
Keep watching.
All right, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Have a good one.
How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Good. My name's Dustin. I'm one of the general managers. Just want to pop by, say hello,
Hello.
introduce myself.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool.
Are we just doing like just some standard shots of our business, or
Well, I'm not trying to be cute, but is that what you want me to tell you?
I just
Because to be honest with you, I don't even know what that means, standard shots. I'm just taking some pictures.
Okay, awesome.
Takes the pictures, takes the video.
Okay. Is it something that's going to be publicized here in Tucson later?
I
Is it
never
something
know
that's
until it's
personal,
done. Could be.
Okay.
Yeah, could be.
Awesome.
That's a good shot. I appreciate you, man.
No, thank you guys. Absolutely.
Right on.
Have a good day.
Have a good one.
Thank you. Have a good day.
What you guys filming?
Sorry?
I'm just curious, what are you guys filming?
Oh, we're just getting some shots of the front of you.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, cool.
I love it.
Thanks.
I
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
She wasn't that short. Yeah, these bottles made it to town.
Right on,
Good
man.
to see you guys.
Appreciate you, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
You really love you. I can tell by the way you look at you.
Thanks.
You owe me one. No. Just looking for anything interesting that catches my eye. Not hard to do these days.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day, man. No, now I'm not. There you go. I knew the laugh was in there somewhere. Yeah. Keep smiling, guys. Oh, Mediterranean.
Nice.
Yeah. What else is there? That's it?
Well, all right, guys, you saw how that went here in downtown Tucson, Arizona. Some people got upset over the cameras, other people not so much. Most people were cool. and got to take some cool pictures, take some video, meet some people, and you guys got to come along for the ride as usual. So that's it for episode 3 of our big cross-country road trip. We started out in California, we're on our way to New York, and then we're going down to Florida. So if you guys like this video, you appreciate what we do, and you want to come along for the rest of the road trip, best way to do that is to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, check out my other social medias, and check out the stickers, link in the description if you want to get a cool Watching the Watchmen sticker. And that's about it for this one. So, Watching the Watchmen, out with the Amagansett Press here in downtown Tucson. See you in the next one, guys. Out.